interference fringe width beta. Look at the diagram. Let S be a very narrow slit illuminated by a monochromatic source. The light of single wavelength coming out of S falls on two symmetric slits S1 and S2, which are separated by a distance small d apart. Now the sources S1 and S2 behave like two coherent sources. What are coherent sources? Coherent sources are those sources which send out light of same frequency, having same phase or having constant phase difference. These waves are allowed to fall on a screen which is placed at a distance capital D. The waves superimpose and interferent fringes are produced on the screen. The fringes are intermittent, bright and dark, as well as the bright fringes are equally bright, dark fringes are equally dark. The distance between two consecutive bright fringes or two consecutive dark fringes is the fringe width beta. Look at this diagram. S1 and S2 are the two coherent sources from where the waves are coming out. They interfere and form the fringes on the screen placed at a distance capital D from the sources S1 and S2. The intensity distribution of the fringes is shown on the screen. The enlarged version of the same diagram is drawn here. S1 and S2 are the two sources. S1p, S2p are the path of the waves which produces nth bright fringe at point P on the screen, which is kept at a distance d from the sources. S1n is the normal drawn to the path S2p. S1S2 and S1n makes an angle theta. Similarly, AO and AP makes the same angle theta. Now look at these triangles S1, S2, N. From the triangle S1, S2, N, what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to S2N by S1, S2. Let us call it as equation number 1. Similarly, from the triangle OAP, what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to OP divided by OA. LHS of equations 1 and 2 are same. Therefore, RHS must be equal. S2N by S1, S2 equal to OP divided by OA. That is, S2N divided by S1, S2 is small d equal to OP equal to Y. Y is the distance of the nth bright fringe from the point O. So Y divided by OA, which is capital D. Substituting these values, we get S2N equal to Y small d by capital D. What is S2N? S2N is the path difference between the two waves reaching at point P, where nth bright fringe is formed. We know, according to the condition for nth bright fringe, the path difference S2N must be equal to n lambda, where lambda is the wavelength of the light used. Therefore, n lambda equal to y small d by capital D, or y equal to n lambda capital D by small d. We call it as equation number 3. Similarly, y dashed equal to n plus 1 lambda capital D by small d, and y dashed is the distance from O to n plus first bright fringe. So what is the distance between n plus first bright fringe and nth bright fringe? That is the fringe width beta. That is y dash minus y, which is equal to lambda capital D by small d. So from the equation, it is clear that fringe width beta depends on wavelength, then distance of the screen from the coherent sources, and distance between the two coherent sources. If two coherent sources are very close by and the distance equal to 0, fringe width will be infinity. Similarly, if the two coherent sources are very far apart, if d equal to infinity, then beta equal to lambda capital D by infinity, which is equal to 0. So in these two cases, the interference will not take place. Which are the cases? The distance between two coherent sources cannot be 0. The distance between coherent sources cannot be infinity also.